Hello, dear children. I hope you have understood the last video lesson on multiplication of large numbers. And we have also done addition and subtraction. So now we are left with one more operation, that is division. So today we will deal with division of large numbers, like which have 6 digits or 7 digits or 8 digits, and we will divide it with numbers which have 2 digits or 3 digit numbers. So let us see how we divide and how well you divide large numbers, because division is fun. And and remember that when you divide you get a smaller number as the answer. So let us see here. We start with a one problem. I hope you will be able to understand this division. Okay. So here, division of 7 digit number by a 2 digit number. So we are going to do this. Example, you see 7 digit number is 52 lakhs 57,065 divided by 21. So we are writing here 21 and 52 lakhs 57,065. Okay. So we are dividing it with which number? 21. So 21 is the divisor. Okay, so we compare this 52 and 21. So we see 52 is greater than 21. So we can say the table of 21, and you see where does it fit in? 3 into 21 is larger, isn't it? So we will take 21 into 2. 21 into 2 is 48. So we select this one. Okay, this is suitable here. So we will write it here. 21 2s are 42. Okay, so we write 42 here, and then we have to subtract. Okay, so when we subtract, what do you have? 10. Now take down the next number, that is 5. So this makes it 105. And we know that 21 is smaller and 105 is a larger number. 105 is greater than 21. So select which multiple of 21 you will select. 21 into this 21 into 5 is 105, isn't it? So we can select here this 21 into 5 is 105. So this we can take as the quotient now. So here we can put it in the quotient here. 21 5s are 105. When you subtract, next step is subtract. 105 minus 105 is what? 0. So take down the next number. Okay. So now here something to remember, that whenever you take down a number and it is less than the divisor, see 21 and 7. 7 is less, so you can't take anything from this table, isn't it? So always remember, when you take down such a number, this is not sufficient. Idu pora. So you have to take down the next number also. But you cannot take down the next number unless you give a respect to this number. It has come down from such a big height, no? The 7 is coming down from such a big height. So you have to write something here to give a respect. So what will you write here? You have to write 0 here. Then only you can take the next number down. Okay, so remember this. There are many cases, even when I correct standard 10 papers also, I find that students forget to put this 0. So I hope you will not make any mistake. So let us continue here. What we will do, we will see here that since 7 is less than 21, so it is not divisible by 21. So what do? We put a 0 here. See, 1 0 is added, and then take down the next number. Next number is 0. So now it is fine. You get 70. And 70 is greater than 21. So now we can see tables. Which one fixed? 21 into 3 is, yes, 63. So we can take this one, isn't it? 21 into 3 is 63. This is fine for us. So you can select this. And you can write here 21 3 times is 63. So we write 63 here. How much is 70 minus 63? 7. Now take down the next number, 6. So this becomes 76. Select what will fit here. 84 is greater, so 63 will be fine. So we will select 21 into 3 again, isn't it? So we will select 21 into 3. Let us see here, 21 into 3. So we will write 3 in the quotient, and we will write 21 into 3 is how much? 63. Now subtract 76 and 63, you get 13. Is there anyone left? Yes, 5 can come down. So 5 is coming down. 135. Look at the tables where 135 will fit. 147 is greater, so 126 we can take from here. 21 6 are 126. So we'll put a 6 here. And 21 6 are 126. So bring 6 here and we'll write 126 and subtract 135 and 126. We get a 9, and that 9 is called a remainder because it is one that is remaining. So 9 is the remainder, and what is the quotient? 25. 2,50,336 is the quotient. 2,50,336 is the quotient, and remainder is 9. Okay. Did you like this division? Let us try another one with an 8-digit number by a 3-digit number. So we are increasing our capacity here. So what is the number here? You have a 585, then in the 1006. Okay, 13 lakhs. So 7 crores, 13 lakhs, 6,585 divided by 310. Okay. So these are the steps. We have to compare first, then divide, then subtract, then bring down. So let us try these steps and find out. So first, when we see here, we have 310. So here we have to take also 713. We have to start with 713. Three digit we will take here, because 713 is greater than 310. Okay. So let us see the table of 310. Which number will fit here for 713? I think this will be enough, isn't it? 620. Because 930 will be greater. So we will take 310 into 2 is 620. Okay, 310 divided by 2 is how much? 620. Next step, subtract. So we have to subtract now 93. Now what we do? We take down the next number. What is the next number? 0. So it has become 930 now. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to select which number will fit. So exactly 930 we are getting here, isn't it? 3 times. 310 3 times is 930. So in the quotient we will add a 3. And down here 930. Now again what happens? You have to subtract 930 minus 930 is 0. So same condition has come now. Look here. 6 is coming down all the way down. But it is very small. It is smaller than 310. So it will not be enough. We will take the next number. But before that we have to put a 0. Then only you can take down the next number. So we take the next number, it is 5. Still 65 is less than 310. So that is also not enough. Put one more 0 and bring down the next number. Okay, so we put one more 0, bring down the next number, 8. Now it is all right, 658. And we see here that 658 is greater than 310. Okay, 658 is greater than 310. So now when we select from the table, 310 into 2 is 620. So we can select 2 and write down 620 down there. Okay, now we subtract 658 and 620 and we get 38. 5 is to come down now. So we take down the 5. 385. So where should we go? I think 310 into 1 is correct, isn't it? So we will take 310 into 1. So we will write 1 here and we will write 310 down here. Okay, so 1 here and 310 here. We will subtract. And how much we get? 385 minus 310 is 75. So the remainder is how much? 75. And what is the quotient? So you have 2,30,021. That is the quotient. 2,30,021 is the quotient. Okay. So I hope you have understood how to